In this video, we are going to see how to set the alignment defaults when we are importing alignments from a LandXML file. So first we will import some alignments from a LandXML file. So to do that, you have to go to Insert tab, LandXML. Then you have to move to the folder we have where you have these alignments. I have this alignment LandXML file. I click open here. So I'm not going to change anything. So I click OK. So all the alignments will be imported. Now I close this information. So now you can see we have so many warning signs here. I press regenerate RE in the command line. I type regen and press enter. So you can see I have so many alignments. I have the labels, then I have the warning signs. So warning signs means that these alignments have non-tangent entities. So if you are okay with the non-tangent entities and you don't want the labels to be shown at this very moment, so this is how to do this. So we don't want the labels and we don't want the warning signs as well. So this is how to do this before importing the LandXML file. So what I do is I select all these things and delete this time. So no alignments will be there. So before importing, what I do is I go to settings tab, then go to alignments, right click, edit feature settings, and I go to default styles in alignment. I click this drop down. So my default style for the alignment will be proposed. So I get warning signs. I need to remove the warning signs. So what I do is I click here, then go to proposed. I click this edit current selection option. So I check this in the display tab. I will uncheck this warning symbol. So I turn off this warning symbol. So if you want this warning symbol in other alignments, so you can create a copy of this style and do that. So I'm not going to do it at this moment. I click OK. Then I click OK again. So I don't want the alignment labels as well. So I have the alignment label set as all labels. I click here and I set it to no labels and click OK and click OK again. So now I import the alignments again. So I go to Insert tab, LandXML. So I import the alignments, click OK. Now you can see you only get the alignments without any labels and without any warning signs. So if you need to change the alignment style up front, you can change the alignment style at the edit feature settings. So we currently use this proposed one. If you want to change it to some other style, you can do it from here. So that is how to import alignments through a LandXML with the desired settings.